welcome back to my channel. Today we will be having an unboxing. It's an unboxing of Sigma stuff. So here's the box. Ooh, love this. We got a brochure in here. And in here, ooh, guys, we got the Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. I've been wanting to buy this for like the longest time. The cleaning mat is silicone material. This one retails for $25. This side is to wash your eye brushes and this side's to wash your face brushes. And on the back you have the little sections so that it can stay in place and not move while you're washing your brushes without getting your hands wet. So you can put it on your sink, just like the picture right here. Leave in the comments down below if you want to know how I wash my brushes but using this mat. I did make a video of how I clean my brushes using my glove from Sigma as well. And I can see here that I got the foam Sigmagic brush shampoo. Ooh, let's see. Wow, it's a very big product. This has 200 milliliters of liquid inside and retails for $15. I think this is a pretty good deal. 100% natural foam brush cleanser. It's so beautiful, guys. Gently shake before use. Pump 1 to 3 directly on brush fibers. Lather, rinse, repeat. Just kidding. Lather, rinse with warm water, repeat. Oh no, yeah, lather, rinse, repeat. Repeat as needed. Ah! Lather, rinse, repeat. Lather, rinse, repeat as needed.
Lather, rinse, repeat, and lather, rinse, repeat, and lather, rinse, repeat as needed.
It has coconut oil and palm oil. Cool, cool, cool. Next, I got 3 brushes. I got my F80 flat Kabuki. You guys, if you followed since the very beginning, you guys know that I used this brush. It was my all-time favorite. It's still in good condition, but I'm happy that I got another one. This one retails for $25. It's for foundation. And actually, I used this in my last tutorial. Then I got the F37 Spotlight Duster. I am so excited to try this guy out. Like, I'm looking at it and it looks perfect for a highlighter. This is to highlight the cheekbones and the face. It's a tapered fluffy brush head with extremely soft Sigma Tech fibers. It's so fluffy and pretty. Oh my god. This one retails also for $25. They recommend you to use this brush with powder products to gently dust the high planes of the face with highlight products. So technically the highlighters that are loose powders. It feels so nice to have new brushes that actually still have the name. Most of my brushes lost their names because I use them so much. Then I got the E60 large shader brush. This one says uniformly covers the entire lid with product and it's a firm, large, and flat head brush. And this one retails for $17. They recommend you to apply eyeshadow base with it or cream eyeshadow for quick and even coverage. It looks to me like it could be a brush where you can actually cut the crease with. It's really, really nice. I could also use this to prep my eyelid like it says there, which is with concealer, and then I set it with powder. The next thing I got is the Flawless Application 3D HD Blender. It got stuck in there. It's like a triangle shape. Oh my god, it's so soft. I'm not used to this kind of shape, but let's see why does it have that shape. It says it reaches every contour. If you were going to bake, you could just like really easily. Double wedge contour, double wedge highlight, flat base, wash after each use, set out to dry in a lit, well ventilated area, replace every 3 months with daily use. Okay, good to know. This little guy retails for $15. So you can actually conceal. Ooh, you could conceal like this and you could bake your under eye like that. If you wanted to highlight the tip of your nose with some powder, oh my god, this edge is so perfect for that. So I'm assuming the foundation would be the curvy side. Next I got the Sigma Eyeshadow Base Primer, which is in the shade Ignite. Wear under pigments for intense, long-lasting color. It's a nice bright base primer. Matte finish twist up applicator built-in sharpener. This retails for $15. Then I got the liquid pen eyeliner, and this is in the shade Wicked Black. This retails for $14. It is a nice fine tip. Felt tip delivers intense color in one deeply saturated swipe, long wearing, satin finish, and water resistant. I also got the Sinuosity Lash Mascara. This is in the shade Black. I saw the brush, it looks pretty cool. Whoa. This one retails for $19. I'm so happy because I have a new mascara. I also got a palette. This is the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2. It is warm neutral, guys. I freaking love this so much. Look at the packaging. The packaging is cute. Oh my god. Let's see the inside. Ooh. Wow. It has a beautiful compact mirror at the top. It has 12 eyeshadows, which 5 of them are completely matte. You got 4 metallic-ies, 1 foiled eyeshadow, and 2 matte eyeshadows with specks of glitter. This beautiful palette retails for $39. Humble and Russet are the colors that have specks of glitter in them. Bittersweet, Charmer, Beaming, and Iconic are the metallic one. And Fool's Gold is more like a foiled eyeshadow. And the rest, which is Passion Fruit, Henna, Toasty, Rogue, and After Hours are completely matte. I cannot wait to try this palette. I'm gonna make a full tutorial using only this palette. Last but not least, I got a Sigma Aura powder, which is a beautiful blush. This is in the color Nymphaea. I don't know how to say that. Wow, the packaging, guys. The serious packaging. So you have the mirror and the blush. Pretty big. This lovely blush retails for $19. I actually like the blush color, but it's so pretty. So I might as well end up doing a full tutorial using the warm neutrals and the blush together with the brushes and the sponge. We'll definitely try out the sponge. I'm definitely going to make a separate video using the Sigmagic foam and the Spa Express brush cleaning mat. I'm going to be washing my brushes. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite product was from this unboxing and what product are you most excited to see me use. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave the link down in the description box below. You can use my code Yesmy10 at checkout for a 10% discount off of your purchase. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! That are in a loose powder. What am I saying? Ta-da! Yeah.